back to episode 5 of the 89 Classic Mini restoration. Today's task, we're getting the floor out. The floor should be here hopefully today, if not tomorrow. So all this rusty floor needs to go. I'm hoping the bracing's all good. It seems to have held up nicely now. I've put loads of anchor points and reference points for the new floor to come in. So it's a case of now just braving it and doing it. So without further ado, let's rattle through some cutting discs and get this floor out. Once it's out, it's going to be quite scary, I think. There's going to be nothing in the bottom of the car at all. The boot floor's tacked in now, like you saw in the previous video. So that shouldn't be going anywhere. That keeps the back end quite straight. And I'm hoping, because I picked up on the subframe mount points, that it's in the right place. There's also a subframe on the way. So plan today is get the floor out. Maybe start drilling some holes for the new floor to plug weld to. In the next video, we're going to, down here on the steps, on the underside of them, we're going to etch prime, seal up, and I'm going to paint it the body colour the car's going to be, because that was never done in a factory. But that's in the next video. Today's video, we're going to start cutting up the floor, like I say, get it out, and yeah, I'll get cracking on. And I don't know how much of it I'll film, because I don't want to damage my camera. But I'll definitely put some pictures in after. I'll just show you where we're at now. Like I say, you've seen in the previous picture, the front floor pans are gone anyway, just because I needed to repair the toe board. But let's get going. So, see you in a bit. Right, you can see the front floor pans are gone. Toe board's all repaired, both sides. That side needs priming. And it's a case of getting the rest of the floor out now. If I'm looking at the top of it, like I mentioned in the video, it isn't that bad, but you have seen the underside of it in the other video as well. I do apologise for the dark light. I'm probably going to flip it over and start cutting it out. Yeah, the new floor's complete, so it's inner sills, toe board, everything. So yeah, time to say goodbye to all of this. Oh dear. Catch you soon. Right, grinder's out. Let's get to it. Catch you in a bit. I'm going to be taking it out in sections, so I'll catch you in a bit. Right, part of the way through the cutting now. We're getting there. It's a big chunk out now. You can see where all the bracing and the sort of datum points I've left in. Oh, it's scary. So, just thought I'd show you this. This is the other side oversill, and you can sort of see there's the original sill, this plain red colour, and one oversill. Sort of taking the floor, which is why we've sort of gone this route, because you can see how bad it is at the back. So like I mentioned to you before, it was sort of from this, got this first flute, there's corrosion all the way on the heel board, all the way up to there. So sort of the first flute that way is the only solid part of the floor, so it's like the exhaust tunnel. But having actually cut out the exhaust tunnel around about that area in the centre, just under the handbrake, it's actually a big old hole that's just come out. So the exhaust tunnel was the solid bit. It's definitely not now. So yeah, I'll keep going and get back just in one of the rear pockets now. Look at that. The hole in this panel caught the rear quarter has been plugged with paste or underseal, no, weld seal stuff. Great. Well, I'm glad it's all going. Right, it's official. Gone flawless. A little bit scary. All of that's gone out of there now. I'm going to clean everything back, and I've put a step in this side, as you can see, and I've also put a step in on that side, but I painted that one, the underside of it, before I realised how bad the car really was. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint both of these now, and all inside, so it's ready for the floor. Hopefully floor will be here tomorrow. See how we get on. Yeah, I'm going to get to clean and painting and call it that for the day, I think. A lot of cutting, a lot of noise, and it's bloody scary because, yeah, this is a big job. That's the floor out. Oh, time for a trip to the tip, I think.